Hi guys. So today we are talking about menstruation. That's completely about women. What is menstruation? Which is popularly known as periods. Let's take it as it is a natural physiological phenomena that happens in a woman's body and blood and other fluids released from the vagina. It happens monthly on a monthly cycle, right? Okay. So what happens? Like I'm not here to talk about menstruation and just over it. I want you to I want to share the impacts, and few changes or few, suggestions that can bring some sort of change in a woman's health and her life altogether. So, the first one that happens when a woman is going through her periods is fatigue. She gets tired, man. She is completely tired. Her muscles are tired. She's in some cramps. The cramps are quite painful, and the emotional support or the family support is always needed. When you are tired and you're having that fatigue, and you know, just can't do it. So at that time, the woman needs adequate amount of sleep. She needs a healthy diet. She needs a healthy environment around her, which I'm talking about the home, you know. Then this other thing that happens is breast tenderness. Breasts of the women becomes very tender at that time. Why? Because at that time, what you can do as a man, or as a partner, or as a family member, you can give her a gentle breast massage, which can eases her pain and give her some comfort. Next, she can have lots of mood swings. Please be prepared. We always say that, "Arey yaar, you why you're getting so irritated?" She will get irritated. Her body is releasing blood and fluids, so part of her things are going out of the body. She will get irritated. She will have that, because the impact of the neurotransmitters are there. It affects her brain. She will get irritated. She will have that sadness thing. She will have the anxiety. She will have the mood swings. Please deal with it with love and care and be supportive. Then we have this premenstrual syndrome, which we say PMS. Now, it's before the menstrual thing it occurs, like it's occur before the menstruation, where she can have lots of food cravings. She will have anxiety. She will have mood swings are common. Please deal with it. It happens to a woman. She is a woman and she is going through a lot. But at the same time, when you go about this, social thing, social, because periods have always been having that, what do we say, social stigma and this cultural taboo. So we don't get that supportive environment. Actually, we don't, because there is a lack of awareness. We don't talk about it openly. It's like, what do we say, open conversations doesn't happen. We do not promote open conversations because still there are places and there are people who think it as a something which is not good, which is dirty, and which is not openly talked about. So we need to debunk these myths that happens, and get the access, give them the access, the women, the girls, a safe and hygienic environment, the affordable menstruation products that she can use easily, and not get into some diseases or sickness, because again, because of the menstruation, there are a lot of things which are not good happening in a woman's body, using the cloths and everything like that. So we should stop that, and at the same time, we should educate and have this sort of open talks with in our workplace as well as in the education system. Why? Because we need to give them private, neat and clean washrooms. We must provide that. Healthy, compassionate environment is required, and most importantly, we need the love, the compassion, the care that a woman deserves at this time. A woman deserves it every time. But during her menstrual cycle, you have no idea how badly she is affected mentally and physically both. Expecting her to be normal is asking for too much. So please support women, give them the care, pamper them a bit, give them a healthy, happy environment where she can, eases her pain. I urge to all the parents, the family members, the workplace people, even in the education system, please look into this matter and discuss it and do something really fruitful for the women and the children and the kids, so that they do not face the mental issues and the taboos and be embarrassed about it. Thank you so much.